Hey Keith, how are we doing today?
Awesome.
Awesome. What are we about to go do?
Jump out of a plane.
Jump out of an airplane. We're going skydiving.
Yep.
What made you want to go skydive today?
I wanted to do it a long time. My wife said, wake up this morning, do me some pants and put those on, we're going somewhere.
Nice.
Showed up here and that's where we're at.
Awesome. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Are you nervous?
No.
Nah, come on now, gotta be a little bit. Wait till we open that door in a little bit.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, well hey, let's go do some skydiving.
Alright.
Today, maybe you left.
One if we're lucky.
Oh, we're at least gonna do one.
That's right.
All right, man. It's gonna be amazing. Skydive. Woohoo! All right, sir. I'm gonna let you stand by.
Okay.
Once we get in, they get it right. You are free.
Did you make it?
Good job, Tim.
Thanks, man. Awesome.
How was it?
Awesome.
What was your favorite part?
Actually coming out of the plane.
Coming out of the plane?
Yeah.
The free fall? Or just actually leaving the plane?
Actually leaving the plane part.
Awesome.
Felt like I was going the fastest there, so.
Yeah, yeah, picking up that speed, you really feel that pickup. Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, would you do it again?
Oh yeah.
Great. Well, hey, great job. Comes the wife.
Straight toes.
Welcome to Skydive, Airtight. Woo.